Start by taping off the area you are going to flash. Use a grinding wheel to prep the metal for priming. Abrade the membrane. Clean the membrane with membrane cleaner. Mix the metal primer for 2 minutes. It has an 8 to 13 minute pot life when temperatures are between 40 to 90 degrees. Apply the metal primer to all metal surfaces, including plates and fasteners. After 2 to 4 hours, the metal primer will have cured. Now apply the membrane primer. Once the membrane primer has flashed off, begin to pre-cut the fleece. You will need fleece to cover 3 different areas: the plates, the field, and the metal vertical surfaces. Mix the resin for 2 minutes. The resin has a 10 to 20 minute pot life. Apply resin to membrane and metal surfaces. Then apply fleece on those resin-coated surfaces. Continue to alternate between layers of resin and layers of fleece as you construct the flashing. Ensure that fleece is saturated and that no part of the fleece is dry. Cover the entire flashing with a final layer of resin as a top coat. Your goal is 90 to 110 mils total thickness for this entire flashing. And before the resin dries, remove the blue tape from the membrane and metal for a nice, clean look.